show like buckets, packaging stuff mostly, and utensils, you know it. Okay, so for example, this is a production line, free stock bottle. Okay, so about the PET production for the water bottles, for example. So let's check the applications and global dependency further now. Packaging represents 40% of plastic use globally, and this is driving large-scale waste from single-use products every year. We are like wasting so much of this plastic and throwing out to the nature, and it is used in construction